Dave Ramsey's approach to financial planning has garnered widespread attention. He focuses on straightforward, no-nonsense principles to achieve financial freedom. But is it the best approach? We will dive into an overview of his approach, the pros, the cons, and other financial strategies that might be better or worse. I'll proceed with the next section, focusing on an overview of Dave Ramsey's approach. Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy is encapsulated in his 7 baby steps. These steps are a sequential guide. They're designed to lead individuals from debt to financial independence. They also help with wealth building. Here's a brief overview of these steps. First, start with a $1,000 emergency fund. Ramsey advocates starting with a small, accessible emergency fund. This fund covers unexpected expenses. He emphasizes the importance of having a financial buffer. Next, use the debt snowball. This step involves paying off debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate. This helps gain momentum and psychological wins. Then, save 3 to 6 months of expenses. After clearing debt, the focus shifts to building a substantial emergency fund. This fund can cover living expenses for an extended period, providing financial stability. After that, invest 15% in retirement. Ramsey advises investing 15% of household income into retirement accounts, such as 401ks and Roth IRAs. The focus is on long-term growth. Fifth, save for college funding. He recommends setting aside funds for children's education. Use tax-advantaged savings accounts to avoid future debt. Sixth, pay off home early. This strategy includes making extra payments towards the mortgage. The goal is to own the home outright sooner, reducing interest costs and increasing equity. Finally, build wealth and give. The final step focuses on wealth building through investments and real estate. It also includes generous giving, reflecting Ramsey's belief in the value of financial generosity. Ramsey's approach is grounded in practical, actionable steps. It prioritizes debt elimination and encourages fiscal discipline. However, its effectiveness varies based on individual financial situations and goals. Next, I will discuss the pros of Dave Ramsey's approach. Dave Ramsey's financial strategies have helped countless individuals achieve debt freedom. They have also helped them achieve financial stability. Here are some of the key advantages of his approach. Simplicity and clarity. One of the most appealing aspects of Ramsey's approach is its simplicity. The 7 baby steps provide a clear, straightforward path to financial freedom. This makes it accessible to people regardless of their financial literacy level. Focus on debt elimination. Ramsey's debt snowball method is particularly effective for those overwhelmed by multiple debts. By focusing on paying off smaller debts first, individuals can experience quick wins. This boosts motivation and commitment to debt reduction. Behavioral finance approach. Ramsey's strategies are rooted in behavioral finance principles. He understands that personal finance is more about behavior change than mathematics. The emphasis on budgeting encourages disciplined financial habits. It also emphasizes living below one's means and avoiding new debt. Dave Ramsey has built a vast community of followers. He provides a support network for individuals working through the baby steps. Additionally, his books, radio show, and online resources offer guidance and motivation. We emphasize the need for an emergency fund. This ensures individuals avoid debt from unexpected expenses. This provides a safety net that many financial plans overlook. Despite these advantages, Dave Ramsey's approach is not without its critics. Some argue that the advice is too rigid and may not apply to every individual's unique financial situation. In the next section, we will explore the cons of Dave Ramsey's approach, shedding light on potential limitations and criticisms. Cons of Dave Ramsey's approach. Dave Ramsey's financial strategies have proven beneficial for many. However, there are several critiques worth considering. Critics argue that Ramsey's approach may not suit everyone's unique financial circumstances. They particularly criticize the strict adherence to the baby steps. They say it's one-size-fits-all advice. For instance, individuals with high-interest debt might benefit more from focusing on those debts first. They should do this rather than following the debt snowball method. Ramsey recommends investing 15% of income into retirement accounts. He suggests using mutual funds with a track record of strong performance. This advice does not account for individuals' diverse investment preferences and risk tolerances. Critics suggest a more tailored investment strategy. It could yield better results for some investors. Disregard for credit use. Ramsey staunchly opposes all debt, including credit cards. This can seem unrealistic in today's credit-driven economy. Using credit cards responsibly can help in building credit history. They also provide benefits like rewards and consumer protection that cash cannot offer. Some financial experts argue that paying off a mortgage early might not be the best strategy. This is because most mortgages have low interest rates and potential tax deductions. They suggest allocating extra funds towards investments instead. These investments have higher returns than accelerating mortgage payments. Ramsey's principles lack nuance in financial planning. They don't adjust strategies based on changing economic conditions. They also don't adjust strategies based on changing interest rates or personal life events. This has drawn criticism. Despite these drawbacks, Dave Ramsey's approach has introduced many to disciplined spending. It has also emphasized the value of saving and investing. The next section will offer a comparison with other financial strategies. This will provide a broader perspective on long-term financial planning. Comparative analysis with other financial strategies. Dave Ramsey's approach to finances differs from other strategies. It reveals a range of philosophies about debt, investing, and savings. For instance, the debt avalanche method contrasts with Ramsey's debt snowball. It prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates, potentially saving more money over time. But it requires greater discipline and patience. Meanwhile, financial strategies advocate for using credit strategically and leveraging debt for investment. These strategies offer a more nuanced view of managing finances. These strategies emphasize credit scores and investment over strict debt elimination. Moreover, modern financial advice often incorporates technology and digital tools. This is for budgeting and investing. They offer a more personalized financial planning experience. These methods cater to diverse financial situations and goals. They highlight the importance of a tailored approach to financial planning. This approach considers individual risk tolerance, financial objectives, and lifestyle preferences. Exploring the pros and cons of Dave Ramsey's approach offers valuable insights. It helps us understand effective, long-term financial strategies. Ramsey's principles offer a solid foundation for financial discipline and growth. However, a comprehensive financial plan should also consider personal circumstances. It should also consider the dynamic nature of financial markets. This video has navigated through the intricacies of Dave Ramsey's financial strategies. It weighed their benefits against potential limitations. It situated them within the broader landscape of financial planning. The key takeaway is the importance of adopting a financial strategy. This strategy should align with one's financial goals, circumstances, and preferences. It should also remain adaptable to life's inevitable changes.